Suggestion: none. Let's break it down. Protein is like the VIP backstage pass for your muscles. When you work out, you're basically putting your muscles through a tough boot camp. They get tiny tears and scream, "Help! We need reinforcements." Enter protein, the superhero of nutrients. It swoops in, flexes its repair skills, and starts patching up those muscle tears. Think of it like a construction crew rebuilding after a hurricane. More protein means more repair, which means bigger and stronger muscles. But wait, there's more. Protein isn't just about repair. It's also the building block for new muscle tissue. So, if you're dreaming of Hulk-like biceps, you better be on a first-name basis with protein. So next time you're lifting weights or going beast mode at the gym, remember? Your muscles are silently whispering, "More protein, please." Treat them well, and they'll thank you with gains. And hey, just a friendly tip, skip the nude selfies and stick to flex pics. Your Instagram followers will thank you. Got it? Great. Now go smash that workout, and don't forget your muscle's best friend, protein.